In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix application load error in Steam. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your desktop shortcut icon link is corrupted, it's going to send an unmapped request to Windows, triggering the load error. So bypassing this shortcut and launching the raw game file as an admin forces a clean handshake. So what we want to do is open up Steam, go over to your library, and then go ahead and find the game with the error. So then right click on it and then hover over manage. Then you're going to see browse local files as one of them. Then locate the main game executable. For example, it's going to be the exe file. Then all we want to do is right click it. And then what we want to see is run as administrator. And basically if it should work then, and if it does, then what we want to do is create a shortcut to drop a fresh functional link onto your desktop layout. Now, what you could also do is clear deep Steam app ID tracking caches. So what we want to do is close Steam completely and close everything completely. And then all we want to do is go ahead and go over to your Windows Explorer. So I'm just going to press Windows and E. And now it's going to look like this. Now, what we're going to do is look for a folder named after the game, like My Games or Bethesda or anything like that. Open the game specific folder and delete the steam_appid.txt file, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.